You need to hear this if you're a smoothie lover. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Engage with us. If your blender is gathering dust, you're missing out on the easiest way to lose weight: smoothies. First up, we've got the Green Goddess smoothie. Toss in some spinach, a ripe banana, a scoop of protein powder, and a splash of almond milk. Blend it up, and you've got a creamy, nutrient-packed drink that'll keep you full and energized. Next, say hello to the Berry Blast smoothie. Mix together a handful of mixed berries, some Greek yogurt, a dash of honey, and a splash of water. This sweet treat is loaded with antioxidants and is perfect for a post-workout refreshment. Lastly, don't miss out on the Tropical Paradise smoothie. Combine some frozen mango, pineapple chunks, a bit of coconut water, and a squeeze of lime. It's like a vacation in a glass minus the calories. So there you have it. 3 tasty smoothies that are not only delicious but also help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Grab your blender and start sipping your way to a healthier you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes.